Yeah, that's strong.
And where does the dog sleep? Oh, yeah. My lights. There's some curtains, and then here there's 2 seats, and they swivel around so you can have a couch at the front. So Kiaya, are you ready? Are you ready for Europe? So we're on our way at last, heading on to the ferry off to Portugal. Here's my room. Oh my goodness. Sherry. The weather is pretty much exactly like it is in Ireland. And I thought I was getting away from all that. Okay. We stopped for a little break, stayed for a night, and then hit the road again. We stopped again just outside Lisbon for another night, and then we headed off again, and it was still raining. The dog likes to get out and have a little run around. I'm interested to see how she gets on, see if she's happy with all this traveling and everything. We stopped again just before we got to the south of Portugal, and then we drove for another couple of hours until we finally reached our destination, and Kiaya started getting excited about all the cats around, chasing them, as you can see from her head there. Looks like we made it. Thanks for watching. See you next time.